Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we make our own organic yogurt at home. It's really simple to make. It saves money, it's healthier without additives, and it tastes better. I'm going to use 1 gallon organic whole milk and plain Greek yogurt. We also use a Ninja Food Deluxe Cooker with a built-in yogurt and fermentation functions. We use the cold start method so that we don't boil the milk first, which makes the whole process simpler and less messy. Make sure the inner pot is clean, preferably right out of a dishwasher. Pour in whole milk. Add 2 spoonfuls of yogurt into the milk. Fully stir and mix them up before closing the lid. Make sure the switch on the lid points to the vent position so we are not building up pressure. Now, turn the selector to slow cook yogurt until yogurt shows. Then press temp. Turn one further step to fermentation. Now, press the time button. Then turn the selector to 12 hours. We normally start the machine at night, and the next morning add another 4 hours to make a total of 16 hours of incubation time. The longer incubation, the more sour it tastes, which means the more active culture it produces. The yogurt we make is usually more watery than store brand. You may need to strain it with cheesecloths to remove the whey, which is the liquid portion. So we really prefer the liquidy texture of the yogurt we make. We then put it into refrigerator. We usually add some local honey when we eat. That's it. Enjoying the homemade yogurt. Please comment below what do you think about this recipe. Thanks for watching the cookbook. See you next time.